This is the second of a two-part video about modifications I made to the OcCre or OcCre tram. This part shows the tram after I made the modifications to make it suitable to run on my garden railway. Today is the 31st of March 2020. The weather's improved a little bit, so I think I'll take my Wilkinson tram and the modified OcCre or OcCre tram kit outside and see if it actually runs on the garden railway. Well, it fits under my bridge, but only just. But I suppose that's good enough. That said, the chap wearing the green hat does look a bit bothered. The gentleman sitting at the front of the tram has been so traumatised by the experiment to check clearance above his head that he's had to take to his whiskey bottle to calm his nerves. The OcCre tram kit doesn't weigh very much, and I haven't really put any additional weight in it, so I am slightly bothered by the prospect of it getting blown over in the wind and going flying off into space somewhere. Just a whisper of throttle because I don't want it running too fast in case we have trouble. Travelling a bit quicker than I'd like really, and it's getting quite windy, so I think I'm going to have to stop. The conductor chappie is so bothered, he looks as if he's trying to jump off. Possible we're running out of water, I think. regulator on the Wilkinson tram is extremely difficult to control, with the result that my chase vehicle is having a bit of difficulty keeping up, and my attempts to adjust the balance didn't work out very well. What a rubbish driver. It's a good job they don't let me loose on the real thing. Looking on the bright side, the modifications I made to strengthen the buffers on the OcCre tram kit were successful, because in spite of all these collisions there was no real damage. Scratch paintwork, but no real damage. So after too many collisions for my comfort, I eventually saw a bit of sense and decided to run the camera car and the tram on different tracks. My homemade twin-cylinder double-acting oscillating engine that I put in the Wilkinson isn't particularly powerful, and variations in track gradient or track geometry tend to affect its speed quite dramatically. The shunter locomotive is radio controlled and battery powered, and the red car is the vehicle in which I sit the camera, This shunter locomotive runs slightly faster in reverse than it does forwards, so the sequence was filmed with the shunter running backwards. For a comparison, I just did a few runs with the Wilkinson tram and Roundhouse's Clarence tram, just to see how they both looked. Roundhouse's tram has got a lot more performance than my homemade Wilkinson. So that's it, all done. Wilkinson tram and the OcCre tram all completed. Another one for the shelf. Have to start another project.